Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening settings and signing into Game Center with your Apple ID. This links your profile to games. Once signed in, set a recognizable display name so friends can find you, and enable contacts if you plan to add people quickly. Make sure notifications and background app refresh are allowed, because invitations and achievement updates arrive that way. These first actions attach your account to the service and prepare the device to receive multiplayer invites, leaderboards, and synced progress. You now open a Game Center-enabled title and select multiplayer or leaderboards to trigger the Game Center interface. Once the overlay appears, invite friends directly from the in-game invite menu, send invites through messages, or add people by searching their Game Center profile. This is how you start sessions. Make sure to check privacy settings to control who can send invites or view your profile. This prevents spam and keeps matches expected. If matchmaking is slow, switch to friends only or a different region to reduce wait times. You finish play and expect progress to sync. Game Center uploads achievements and leaderboard scores automatically when online. If syncing or friend lists act up, sign out of Game Center and sign back in to force a resync, because that refreshes tokens and connections. If problems persist, restart the device and ensure iOS and the game are updated. Updates often fix matchmaking and invite bugs. As a final tip, check network settings, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to isolate connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.